Hello friends. Today world cricket is the most popular game in the world. In the world so many games people's played, but most of the people's like to play cricket. I think so. In that cricket we going to see now one world famous cricketer from India. In all over the world the cricket fans you going to ask one question, give 10 players list if you like. Most of the people list definitely have one name. That name is Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, little master blaster, Indian cricket player Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. In this video we going to see some special news in my mind. I going to tell you about the news of Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar full name is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He born in Maharashtra 1973 April 24. He is very interested in childhood playing cricket, so his family planned to join Mr. Sachin Tendulkar in one cricket academy. In that academy Sachin Tendulkar played well. He exposed his all talents in that academy, so he gets chance to play with Indian team in his age of 16. Yes, of course he get that opportunity very quickly. His first debut match against Pakistan, India's most opponent team is Pakistan. Mr. Sachin Tendulkar played first debut match against Pakistan in his age of 16. In that 16, in the year of 1989, from 1989 to his retirement varai, so many records, so many awards win by Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. Lots of magical moments happened when Sachin played for India. Most of the fans like to play match when Sachin Tendulkar placed in stadium in the ground. In my special happening is Sachin partnership with Sehwag. The two batsmen smashed the opponent team, smashed the ball all over the direction in that stadium, left, right, front, back, every direction. The balls going to 4-6. செம்ம மேட்சாக இருக்கும் அந்த மேட்ச். In that case Mr. Sachin Tendulkar have so many records. One of the records is best opening batsman. It's not record, it's a trendsetter. Best opening, the opening batsman, how to work, how to play orthodox shots. இது மாதிரி செம்மையான பல so many records he have. After that, one of the most memorable, most important record is take a century is not easy. Take a century in 100 times, 100 out of 100. That is called 100 out of 100. He get 100 in 100 times. 100th century is happened in 2012 against Bangladesh. He get his 100th century. It is very important record in his cricket career. And another record is the first man, the first Indian, first cricketer in the world get 200 runs in cricket history against South Africa ஐயோ கண்ணு தெரில. Against South Africa, he get first 200 runs. It's all his very massive records of Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. And another thing, the same time he win lots of Indian awards, like in 1994 he win Arjuna awards, and 1997 he win Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award, and 1999 he win Padma Shri award, and 2008 he win Padma Vibhushan award, and finally 2013 he win Bharat Ratna award. In that case, the first youngest man in India to win Bharat Ratna. It's another trendsetter record in the Indian history, not only cricket. In award winning also he have some records. He win so many awards, tournament records. In all of that, I it's not easy to tell in one video. At least 50 videos wants to tell all the records of Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. After that, in 2012 he announced his ODI retirement, and finally 2013 November he announced overall cricket retirement. Everyone have some disappointment, but it's nature. But still he is the cricket role model of all over the Indian. And overall Sachin played 664 international cricket and 34,000 runs. He got 34,000 runs. Sachin is a, of course, Sachin is a little master blaster, pride of India. We love Sachin. I love Sachin. Thank you.